Guys, the live event's happening. The popcorn. The live. Oh wait, everybody's dancing in the middle. Everybody's dancing in the. Oh wait, this is a good. This is a good way. So, yeah. Guys, wait 9 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What's happening? What happening? What happened? Oh, they're turning off. They're turning off. Wait. It's going. Mine's going down. UFO. Beam me up, Scotty. Whoa. This is what that. Oh, so it's voting. Tommy. Pick a Tommy. Well, the plane's okay. So, guys, we're picking the one we want. I'm gonna turn my sound up for this because this is epic. Frick. Frick you, TV. Frick you, TV. Frick you, TV. I wish it... Wait, what happens if you go in the middle? There's a big chair here. The sound's dope. So this one... Can you blame them? Crap, my TV's... So guys, there's the weird music. If you look in the sky, that's the rap. That's the rap that's in the shop. Okay, so most people are going for the Tommy, but some people are going for the SMG. Wait, the grappler's been vaulted? Only 2 people in my servers going for the sword. Oh god, everyone's going for the Tommy. Oh wait, it's almost broken. This is true. Wait, I'm gonna go back for this. I'm gonna go back for this. Wait, what happened to... Yep, same here. No, what if the other ones weren't... Wait, no. Yep, same here. Whoa, wait. It's flying. It's spinning. And it's gone. Oh, and we're flying. I don't have a parachute. Okay, beam me up, Scotty. Beam me up, Scotty. Wait. Wait, look at the volcano. Look at the volcano. Look at the volcano. Volcano is exploding. Oh, dope. Oh. Oh, crap. I don't know what... No! Retail! No! No! I'm honestly almost crying. No, I genuinely cry. Yay! Yeah! Oh, I'm honestly crying right now. No, Pleasant. Tilted. Wait, no, this is what they were. This was the. Okay, Tilted's done for. Tilted's done for. Tilted's done. I think it's done exploding. Oh, and we're back. Everybody's going to for Tilted. Oh, that's ironic. That's ironic. That's freaking ironic. The one building that the block explodes. No, the ironic thing is the one building that Tilted did, that the block destroyed is the one building that actually stayed. Oh crap, the sound's still really weird. It's funny how everybody's at Tilted. Wait, where's the... That honestly brought a tear to my eye. Wait, go back to loot. Hello. No. Well, I do have to edit this video a little bit, but it's still gonna be fine. Wait, look on the map. The map's not updated yet. The sky is dope, though. Wait, it's still exploding. The volcano, it's still exploding. What? I'm going to the volcano. Same. Everybody's going there now. Well, not everybody, but people are going there now. I'm making sure my video doesn't crash. Craps. Okay, the storm's not gonna stop me. So guys, this may be the end of 2 or 3 different places. Beginning of, I'm actually gonna put those tags in. I'm gonna put those tags in. Yeah, I'm gonna put those tags in my video. Wait, the volcano is exploding more. Like the sides are erupting, I think. No, I'm not doing hashtag expected because I didn't expect it. Okay, good point. I'm trying to go there and see what happens. Fortnite, good job. This is honestly a good job. Same here. Not that close. Calm down. I think. You're in the Volcano? Kind of. There's sounds. And there's lava on the side of it. Everybody on the enemy's team, like, coming over here now. You're lucky my people can't hear you. I'm jumping in. Wait, what if you were in the volcano? Wait, you physically couldn't be in the volcano. Good point. No, someone killed me, son of a... So should I end the video here or no? I should end it. So guys, That'd be funny. So guys, that's what happens. That's what happened if you weren't for the live event. That honestly brought a tear to my eye seeing like our favorite. Wait, I'm going to Polar. Should we leave this game and go to Polar? I'm leaving this game and going to Polar. Well, if the map wasn't updated, that's gonna suck. Well, see you guys. The video didn't end. I just did that just in case, just in case nothing did happen to it. Just so I could cut it short. It's already 11 minutes. This is gonna take years. The bad thing is people have like a thumbs up, like, have like a little advantage. No, people have an advantage. And the game mode's gone. Oh, that's why the Battle Royale map's not... Oh. Stop! We'll just... Okay, I think that might... Okay, so, you're not doing... I'm gonna try it because mine's working. And I'm the one that actually they could see. So, future me, I'm just gonna cut to when I'm over at Polar. I'm going there, or trying to. The thing is, I have to edit this video fast. What are you doing? Ready up, ready up. Oh, something moved. Oh, you missed it. Oh, that sucks for those people. Missed the event. You can change game modes? I can't. Okay, so I guess that past one was my